ZETA stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this very brief short 1-minute video. And is the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos in 5 years, all documented of seeing what's working for me and what's not. Zeta Global Holdings, I'll have to say this one thing. It just made new higher highs, right? Very simple, very decent. So how's this going to look like? Well, particularly for right now, I'm not just going to immediately buy, you know, because what the heck would I buy here, right? Like, I'll be waiting for a little pull down into some of these demand zones and then hopefully take things up. And it could not even be today, right? If rules are not met, right? So be it. Could be Friday or even next week. But we're going to see. And I do have a lot of receipts with Zeta as well in this Discord before results. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. Cheers.